I'm out in Perth today, walking around, taking some photos again. Haven't been out in a little while. It's been raining for the last 3 days, so I was hoping I'd come out today and be rainy and wet and lovely, but instead it's sunny and quite warm. So that kind of sucks a little bit. It wasn't what I was hoping for, but you get what you can take. So I'm walking from the east end of Perth to the west end. I'm just taking a normal route. Normally I'm walking east-west the whole way, but today I'm going to be taking the north-south streets instead of the east-west streets. So maybe that'll change things up for me. See things a little bit differently, hopefully. But we've only just started. So I'm just gonna shut the fuck up now and put the action cam around my neck, and then I'll just walk and take you guys along for the ride. I've got the mic hooked up today, so I may or may not commentate. So, all right, let's go. All right, so I'm shooting with the X100F today. It's on 500th of a second, ISO 400 and f8. Try to keep you informed if that changes. This is Adelaide Terrace running this way. And that's the way that's the direction I normally walk. But today I'm walking up and down the other way. So I just want to change things up. Too far away for that shot, but really, I think I got one before. So, I just patted him on the head at the right time, so that was good. No people, but you know, nice little shot though. That's just the type of shot I sort of collect. I don't post many of them. Actually, I don't post much on Instagram anymore. Post a little bit on photo. If you're on photo too, let me know down below and I'll give you a follow. The fuck is that noise? I haven't taken a window selfie in a while. This is a cool window, a record shop. I think the shop's actually still open. Like this, it looks like it's been like this for ages. Interesting light there. I don't know if there's anybody interested in it, but it's cool. Maybe those things are cool. We've got a couple. I don't know if that one's in it, but won't bother with it. These guys here, maybe. Sort of shot them there. Right. I think this is a better angle on this. So really are some cool alleyways down this end actually. I have to see if the sun will get on that. A little bit of sunlight on that would be nice. But for now, let's keep walking.
And when they come back,
Alright, walk a bit laneway. I don't think I've actually got a good photo from in here yet. I might have a really old one, maybe, but it's so touristy. Of a car spotter these days, but my nephew loves it, so take a few. Random shots. This Ferrari. Looks like everyone's back now, so I might come back in half an hour or so and see if anything there. Just looking up, I do like these random ass sort of photos. Like this. Find a spot now, and just try and find a spot where people are walking past fairly quickly, maybe do panning or slow shutter work for a bit. So let's stop this down and slow it down a little bit. It might be it. It might be it right there. Alright. I'm gonna leave this spot now and go find it somewhere else. So I'm shooting those at a 15th f16 on low ISO, so ISO 100 equivalent. So there's a bit of police presence and seems to be, there might be a protest starting here soon by the looks of things. Actually, I might go back to this. I might go over here and see if I can get some panning. Practice my panning shots again. Wouldn't you know it, my battery's just about to run out. I don't have a charging cable. There must be a rally about to start. Let's see if there's police up on the balcony there. So I'm gonna save my battery on my camera. I think it was flashing red, so I'm just going to hang around here for a little bit.